to the channel, man. Real quick, I am headed to a buddy's garage, Brothers Motors, having overheating issues. This is a 2010 Chrysler 300, as you can see, with the 5.7 Hemi. Now, my overheating issue, I simply got down on my knees, looked down there, and I saw coolant everywhere, right up underneath the water pump. I mean the radiator. Okay, so there's no need for me to pressure test it. I can see it pouring out the radiator. So what I do is pop the hood and remove a few things, all the stuff right here, the air cleaner box, and lo and behold, what do I see? This stuff like this. Actually, you don't even see blades on the fan anymore. Well, that was one right there, so there's some blades that's still on here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what has happened is the electric fan is coming apart. Okay, so I guess when a couple of blades flew off, it basically just slammed into the radiator and busted the radiator. So it's nothing really fun about that, or nothing you can do about that, but simply replace the fan module assembly. Now, this fan module assembly is just old, it's just aged, it's brittled up, so there's nothing you can avoid. So if you want to really try to avoid it, the only thing you can do is just replace it right around 100,000 miles. All right, this car has like 120. Okay, now if you was to try to get OEM, y'all know I'm a firm believer in the OEM parts. Chrysler sell this stuff in pieces. All right, so some of the pieces we couldn't get, so I end up getting an aftermarket complete fan assembly already built, and this may turn out to be a better option for me. All right, so I'm a firm believer in OEM up until a certain point. If I can get this complete fan assembly already built together, of course I'm gonna have to transfer the harness on the old fan to this, but if I can do that and save time and money, I'm all for that. Now, quality still becomes an issue, but this is a lifetime warranty fan, so I've always said if somebody give you a good warranty on something, they obviously put some quality into building it. All right, now what's really weird is she just had some cooling work done. This is a new water pump and thermostat. Okay, but ain't nothing you can do about that. I'm not sure if anything caused that, except it's just old and brittle. Was keeping up a lot of noise at first, and it finally just came apart. And when something as sensitive as that radiator is struck up, you will get a leak. Man, you have to cover that radiator up so nothing won't hit it. All right, now I did get a OEM radiator. All right, so it's a brand new Mopar radiator. It's good quality stuff. So what I'm gonna do, ladies and gentlemen, is get this fan replaced. Nothing to it, man. Fan replacement is held on by 2 screws, 2 10mm bolts. All right, I had them already loose. So to remove that, just simply remove the nuts, bolts, and of course fish it out. See, it's already halfway out, so it's just a matter of fishing at this point. You got to remove the upper radiator hose, get it completely out of your way. There you have it. Just a matter of fishing it out. All right, so I need both of my hands to finish this job, so I'm gonna finish this job and just wrap it up. I just wanted y'all to know, if you got an overheating Chrysler 300 5.7 with the dual fan setup, or any of them with the dual fan setup, keep an eye on that blade, man. Just from time to time, feel it. If it's loose, it's getting ready to come apart. If it come apart, it's gonna slam into that radiator, and you will have a radiator leak. So you can act proactive and feel around on that fan, or just replace it due to age at around 110,000 miles, and save yourself some trouble, radiator trouble, because the radiator is not cheap. All right, so that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.